Your check engine light just turned on, and before you panic or overpay at a mechanic, this video could save you money. In today's video, we're breaking down the best OBD2 scanners you can buy right now, whether you're a beginner car owner or a DIY mechanic. We'll cover what each scanner does best, how accurate they are, and which one gives you the most value for your money. All product links are available in the description below, so you can easily check prices and features. If you want to diagnose car problems like a pro, make sure to watch till the end and hit that subscribe button for more honest car tool reviews. Designed for drivers who want quick, no-nonsense diagnostics, this compact device delivers fast answers the moment a warning light appears. The Ancel AD310 Enhanced Universal Scanner is a corded OBD2 code reader focused on emission-related engine diagnostics for maximum simplicity and reliability. It supports all standard OBD2 protocols, including CAN, ISO 9141, KWP 2000, and J1850, making it compatible with most 1996-plus vehicles in the US and 2000-plus vehicles in Europe and Asia. The 2.4-inch screen is bright and easy to read, displaying trouble codes, live data, freeze-frame information, and IM readiness status clearly. Power is drawn directly from the vehicle's OBD port, eliminating the need for batteries or charging. Build quality is a standout feature. The thick, flexible 2.5-foot cable and sturdy plastic housing are designed to withstand drops and frequent garage use. Buttons are well-spaced and clearly labeled, making navigation intuitive even for beginners. User feedback consistently highlights how easy it is to use straight out of the box. Many appreciate its fast code reading and clearing performance, especially for home diagnostics. While it does not scan ABS or airbag systems, users consider it excellent value for anyone needing a dependable engine-focused scanner. Modern vehicle diagnostics no longer require bulky tools or tangled cables, and this wireless solution proves it. The BlueDriver Bluetooth Pro OBD2 OBD scanner transforms your smartphone into a powerful diagnostic interface using Bluetooth connectivity and a dedicated mobile app. Compatible with both iOS and Android, it reads and clears not only engine codes, but also advanced systems such as ABS, airbag, SRS, and TPMS on supported vehicles. Live data monitoring allows real-time tracking while driving, and the app provides detailed repair reports with possible causes and fixes. Unlike many competitors, there are no subscription fees or locked features. The compact hardware plugs directly into the OBD2 port and draws power from the vehicle. Its small size makes it ideal for permanent storage in the glove box. Build quality feels solid, with reliable Bluetooth performance in most conditions. Users frequently praise the scanner for saving money on mechanic visits and for the depth of diagnostic information provided. The repair videos and explanations are especially helpful for DIY repairs. Some users report occasional connection drops depending on vehicle or phone model, but overall impressions are strongly positive. For drivers seeking professional-level insight with smartphone convenience, this scanner delivers impressive functionality. Reliable diagnostics are essential when preparing for emissions testing or investigating engine issues, and this tool is built precisely for that purpose. The Foxwell NT301 OBD2 scanner is a plug-and-play diagnostic device designed for engine and emissions monitoring with added live data graphing. It supports all major OBD2 protocols and works with most 1996-plus vehicles worldwide. The 2.8-inch color display presents trouble codes, freeze-frame data, VIN information, and real-time sensor readings in both text and graphical formats. Dedicated IM readiness hotkeys and LED indicators make smog checks quick and stress-free. The device is powered directly through the OBD port, requiring no internal battery. Its solid housing and responsive buttons feel well made, and the screen remains clear even in bright environments. Free lifetime updates via Windows PC ensure long-term usability. Customer impressions emphasize ease of use and accuracy. Many users consider it an ideal entry-level scanner that provides more depth than basic code readers. While it does not support ABS or airbag diagnostics, users appreciate its stability, live data features, and strong value for home mechanics and small workshops alike. Advanced diagnostics and service functions are no longer limited to professional workshops thanks to this feature-rich scanner. The Blcktec 460T OBD2 scanner offers all system diagnostics, including engine, transmission, ABS, and SRS, along with over a dozen reset and relearn functions. Equipped with a large 4.3-inch color display, it delivers real-time OEM and OBD2 live data with graphing and recording capabilities. Auto-VIN, auto-scan, and auto-relink features dramatically reduce setup time, scanning vehicle systems automatically once connected. Compatibility spans most 1996-plus vehicles in the US and Canada. The device feels robust and professional, with responsive controls and a clean interface. Lifetime free updates ensure ongoing compatibility with newer vehicles. When paired with the Repair Solutions 2 app, users gain access to verified fixes, parts information, recalls, and maintenance schedules. Customers praise its speed, large screen, and professional-level functionality at a reasonable price. Many highlight how it replaces multiple tools and delivers dealership-style diagnostics at home. Overall, it's viewed as an excellent investment for serious DIYers and technicians. Troubleshooting modern vehicles often requires more than reading codes, and this tool rises to that challenge. The Innova 5610 OBD2 bidirectional scan tool provides advanced diagnostics with active testing and bidirectional control on supported vehicles. It allows users to command components, such as fuel pumps and electronic parking brakes, helping verify repairs quickly. The scanner supports OEM and OBD2 live data, ABS, SRS, transmission systems, and special reset functions. A 3.5-inch color screen displays data clearly, while the interface supports multiple languages. Powered directly from the vehicle, the unit feels solid and well-balanced in hand. Wireless integration with the Repair Solutions 2 app enhances usability by offering repair guidance, cost estimates, and verified fixes without subscription fees. User feedback highlights its professional-level capabilities and ease of use. Many appreciate the time and money saved by performing advanced diagnostics at home. While compatibility varies by vehicle, customers generally find the performance reliable and the feature set impressive for the price. Simple diagnostics can still be powerful when executed correctly, and this compact reader proves that point. The Motopower MP69033 Car OBD2 scanner focuses on engine-related diagnostics with a clean interface and practical features. It reads and clears engine codes, displays freeze-frame data, live sensor readings, vehicle information, and IM readiness status. The 2.7-inch LCD screen offers adjustable contrast for easy visibility. Supporting multiple OBD2 protocols, it works with most 1996-plus vehicles worldwide. The scanner is lightweight yet durable, featuring a thick insulated cable and clearly labeled buttons for smooth navigation. Power is supplied directly from the vehicle's OBD2 port, eliminating the need for charging or battery replacement. Customers frequently describe it as a reliable, budget-friendly option for basic diagnostics and maintenance checks. Many note its accuracy and quick setup, making it ideal for beginners. While it does not support ABS or airbag systems, users consider it an excellent value for everyday engine code reading and maintenance checks. Quick engine diagnostics don't have to be complicated, and this tool delivers exactly that. The Autel AL319 Professional OBD2 scanner is a plug-and-play code reader designed for fast and accurate check engine light analysis. It reads and clears DTCs, displays live data, freeze-frame information, and IM readiness with a single button. The 2.4-inch TFT color screen, built-in speaker, and LED indicators enhance usability, especially during emissions testing. It supports multiple languages and most post-1996 vehicles worldwide. Powered directly from the OBD2 port, the scanner eliminates battery concerns. The compact body and well-built cable make it easy to store and handle. Autel's reputation for quality is reflected in the solid construction and responsive interface. Users consistently praise its ease of use and dependable performance. Many DIY mechanics find it invaluable for quick diagnostics and repair verification. Although it focuses solely on engine systems, customers regard it as a trustworthy, affordable tool that delivers professional-grade results for everyday vehicle maintenance. Thanks for watching. Check the links in the description below. Hit like, subscribe for more honest car tool reviews, and comment which OBD2 scanner you'd choose.